Yeah, offer Melissa some. Melissa, want some more? Luigi asked. Yes, Melissa wants some more.
Greetings, Eco Rangers! Before we leave the house, we need to make sure we turn everything off so we don't waste power. Can you hear anything we should turn off? Well, listen, what is on that we should turn off?
The radio. Turn on the radio.
The radio! Of course! This sounds like a job for the Eco Rangers! Keeping the Earth healthy, one click at a time. Great job! You're a conservation sensation. That means you sure are swell.
Oh, be careful.
Take a gander, ye
Be careful,
guardians of
please.
green. We'll make sure everything is turned off when we get back.
Don't pick it up. Oh, no, 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 no more, no more. Put it here. No.